Hello everyone, welcome to Nandu's cookbook. Today's recipe is tea time snack recipe Chekodi or Ring Murukku. Watch the video till end and follow the tips to get crispy Ring Murukku. So let's start. Take 2 cups of rice flour into a mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds, half teaspoon of salt, one tablespoon of chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of hot ghee. This makes ring murukku crispier. Add water gradually and knead it into a soft dough. Dough is almost ready. Cover it and rest it for 10 to 15 minutes. Take small ball sized dough, make it into small balls and roll it on wooden plank. And spread chana dal or split chickpeas. Spread it and roll the dough over the chana dal. I am using soaked chana dal. Soaked it for 30 minutes. Roll it and join the edges to make small ring shape. Likewise, make small rings with the remaining dough. Now heat oil. Once the oil heats, drop the small ring murukku into it. Deep fry it both sides evenly in medium flame until it turns crisp and golden. The crispy tea time snack ring murukku is ready to serve. Enjoy it with tea. So hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video.